everyone, and welcome to my channel in English. I hope you really like this simple bracelet. It's for beginners and it's just a simple knot, which is this square knot, and I'm pretty sure most of you already know how to do it, but I just wanted to use these beads that I got a while ago. And I know Day of the Dead already passed, but still colorful skulls make me happy, and I still like the concept of it. Okay, so I'm gonna be using these along with my bracelet, and that way I can wear them next year for Day of the Dead or whenever I want to, of course. So let's start. So this is gonna be the base string, which I'm using a really light gray because I have tons of it, and it's hemp cord. Okay, and it's approximately 24 inches long. Okay, because I do want some extra space at the end. And then we have this string, which is a darker gray. Again, I have tons of it that I rarely use. And right here at the bottom, you can't see it, but I have it taped, see? So that way it's easier for me to do the bracelet and faster. So we're gonna grab the string that's loose and we're gonna put it underneath the base string. And we're gonna put these two together. It's gonna be like this, and we're just gonna tie a normal knot. Nothing fancy, this is just to get you started. Just like that. So now we're gonna do the square knot. So this is the way I do it. I've seen other tutorials where they do it a bit differently. So just so you guys know, I'm left-handed, so that also has something to do with the way that I do the square knot. Okay, so we're gonna grab the left string and I'm gonna put it underneath the middle string, since there's 1, 2, 3 middle string, just like that, but on top of the other one. Then we're gonna grab the other string, put it through the circle right here, or the loop, just like that. Now, since we started with the left side, I was gonna say string, but it's not the same string anymore. So now we're gonna grab the string from the right side and we're gonna do underneath the middle, but on top of the other one. Then we grab the other one and we pull it through the loop, just like that. And I count that as one square knot. Okay, so there's one, and you just keep doing that. So let me repeat this again. So left side, underneath the middle, but on top of the other string, we grab the other string and we pull it through the loop. Now we start with the other side, underneath the middle, but on top of the other one. We grab the other one and we pull it through the loop, just like that. So I have 2 square knots. Okay, so I'm winging this. I don't have anything planned. So I'm gonna do this 3 more times, so in total 5 times. Okay, so this is gonna be the 3rd time. Under, over, we grab the other string and we pull it through. Since we started with the left side, we're gonna continue with the right side. So underneath the middle, but on top of the other one, we grab the other one and pull it through the loop. There's 3 and 2 more. Okay, here we have this, and now I'm gonna put 1 bead. So I think I want to use the really bright pink one. So the hole is a bit small and my hemp cord is a bit thick, but it's still, like, I will struggle a bit, but as long as I twist and pull, and there it is. So I put the tape back at the bottom, and this time I'm gonna do 2. So you're just gonna continue just like that, and I want to make it a bit tight, the first square knot, just so the skull is not like spinning. Okay, so there's 1, and then 2. So then I grab another one. Let's see. Let's grab a yellow. Now, if you guys are wondering where I got the beads, I got it from Amazon, okay? I just put like skull beads and there they were. So I like to twist so that way they don't separate. See, in this one, I am struggling a bit, but I'm twisting and pushing. There you go. I think it's worth it, all the struggling. There. And 2 square knots. There's 1 and there's 2. Okay, so there you have it. So once you're happy with how many skulls you have and how much it covers your wrist, then you can finish it with the 5 square knots at the end, just how we did here at the beginning. And I'll show you how I'm gonna finish this bracelet. So I'm gonna continue with my bracelet. And here is the bracelet. Now you can leave it like this, and right here what I did, a dot of glue, just crazy glue like this, just a little bit right here, and then on the other side, and just cut the hemp cord as close as possible without cutting the other knots. Okay, and here it looks in the back and in the front, then on the side. So now I am just gonna make a slip knot. You could leave it like that. Okay, I even added a bead right here, just like that, a yellow one and a blue one, just to add more of a character of this bracelet. So you can just leave it like that, but with hemp cord, especially this thin, when you tie it, if you tie it really tightly, it's kind of hard to undo the knot. So I'm just gonna make a slip knot. So just how we started it, we're gonna do the same thing, but this time we're gonna cross the 2 strings like this. Let me put it on the clip. know it's a bit weird because of the bracelet. So it's gonna be like this, or crossed over, just like that. And here I have just like a 12-inch of the same dark gray hem cord, and we're gonna do the same thing, which is grab the half, find out where is the half, and then you just tie it normally, just like that. Don't do it really tight because you wanted it to slide. Okay, so if I'm able to do this, then I'm fine. And now we're gonna do the square knots. So this time there's 2 strings in the middle, so under the 2, but on top of the other one, we grab the other one and pull it through the loop. And then since we started with the left side, right side over, under, over the other one, we grab the other one, pull it through the loop, and there's 1. Okay, so I'm gonna do this 2 more times. So it's like this, 2, and 3. If you want, you can do more. I just don't want it to be super long. So it's just gonna be 3 square knots. Just like that. Now I can take it off and see. Now you can make it small or make it bigger, just like that. So you're gonna add the glue right here. So let me show you really quick. If I'm shaking too much, I'm sorry. It's the pressure for me not to mess this up. So just a little bit right here. Okay, maybe a little bit more, because I think I got more of the string and not the knot itself. So now I'm gonna turn it over and just right here, not where there's like this knot right here, we want the other side. So just like that. Maybe that was a bit too much. We're gonna let it dry for a bit, so that way I can cut it. And careful that you didn't. Okay, so learn from my mistakes. Try not to glue when you're putting the glue. If you put too much, like I did, this part got glued to the bass strings, so it was impossible for me to slide it. But with my strength, I was able to keep pulling, and now I can slide it. So learn from my mistakes. Don't glue your strings together, because then you won't have a slide knot. Okay, and then really close, just like that. And here you have the bracelets. So I think I'm gonna make these strings a bit shorter so I can just slide down the bead and make another knot. So let me do that really quick. And here we have the finished bracelet. I like how I have like this really boring gray string, and then you have the colorful skulls. And here's my slip knot, just something really simple. I did cut the strings shorter and added just some beads to add more color to the tying or the slip knot. And so yeah, so here we have the bracelet. I hope you like this really simple tutorial on how to make a square knot, because if I showed you just how to make a square knot, it would be just a boring bracelet unless you add two colors, like two different colors and stuff. But that's why I added the very cool looking skull beads. So depending on the beads that you use, a simple bracelet with the beads, it makes a beautiful, sometimes complicated looking bracelet. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this tutorial. If you did, please like this video. I also invite you guys to like my Facebook page. That's where I share my work, the patterns that I use, if I use patterns, and also where I answer your questions the best that I can. But you guys have to remember that I do receive a lot of messages every day, and I don't have the time to answer them every day, so please be patient with me. And so yeah, if you guys would like to see more videos about these beautiful friendship bracelets, then please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.